What's up guys, so we're gonna play some granny. I just played. And this will be only a short video because I don't know how to play granny.
Meron niya kita picture.
Okay, so we're gonna... What is this house? We're gonna get in this house. How do we get in? Can we get in? Oh, watermelon! Watermelon!
Gagawin mo.
Put it. Put it in bacon. Put it in bacon. Oh, the well. Okay, this will. I am gonna end this because I will do some. I will do all this. Oh, someone got. Oh, someone got dead. It will be only a short video. And please like it, subscribe. We're almost at 100. Bye bye.